the duty of every person working at or visiting the terminal to ensure that their actions do not put themselves, others or the facilities at risk of injury or damage. Anyone who recognizes a situation that could cause injury or damage is authorized to stop work and should take appropriate safeguard measures without putting themselves at risk. Any occasion of unsafe working condition observed report should be completed and submitted to the supervisor or the safety department. It shall always be ensured that the correct personal protective equipment is properly used and that the persons performing the work are sufficiently trained in their use. The following list of basic safety rules shall always be adhered to when entering the licensed or battery limit area of a terminal. 1. Smoking is prohibited throughout the terminal. 2. It is prohibited to carry sources of ignition like lighters or matches at any point of time. 3. The use of non-intrinsically safe equipment like mobile phones, radios, cameras, calculators, battery-powered hearing devices is only allowed by special permission from the management. 4. Carrying and use of private mobile phones is prohibited within the licensed area. 5. The minimum personal protective equipment consisting of safety helmet, anti-static safety shoes with product-resistant soles and anti-static long-sleeve protective clothing shall be worn at all times. 6. Where indicated through posted signs or if required by a work permit, additional PPE requirements like gloves, eye protection shall be worn. 7. It is forbidden to possess or consume alcohol, drugs, or other intoxicants on the site or to be under their influence when at work. 8. Eating and drinking is not permitted outside the office building and other dedicated rooms. 9. Garbage and waste must be collected and disposed of in dedicated containers. 10. Drivers of all vehicles shall obey traffic signs and regulations and always use the seat belt while driving. 11. The general speed limit of 10 km per hour must be observed throughout the terminal. 12. Vehicles shall be parked without blocking roads or firefighting equipments. 13. Handrails and walkways must be used where provided. 14. All accidents, fires, spills, material damages or potentially serious incidents and near misses shall be reported to the control room, the supervisor or the safety officer. 15. Permit conditions and other written procedures shall always be followed. Instructions of terminal employees must